Want ChatGPT to respond exactly the way you prefer? Here's how to use custom instructions on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, first open the ChatGPT app. Tap the menu icon to open the sidebar. Tap your profile name at the bottom. Select personalization. In this page, you will see a text box labeled custom instructions. Tap inside the text box and enter your instruction. For example, I create Android tutorial videos for beginner. Please use simple language. Avoid technical term and keep explanations clear and structure. After typing your instruction, tap the check icon to save your change. Once saved, ChatGPT will follow these instructions in your future conversations. You can return to the same page anytime to edit or remove your custom instructions. That's it. You have successfully personalized how ChatGPT responds on your Android device. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.